In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to drag numbers in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know the quickest way to build a clean number sequence without typing everything by hand. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the top right, click the grid icon that opens Google Apps. From there, choose Sheets to launch Google Sheets. Open the spreadsheet you want to work in, or a blank one if you're just practicing. Click into the cell where you want your sequence to begin. Type your starting number. For example, type 1 in cell A1. Now, this next move is what teaches Sheets the pattern. Click the cell just below it and type the next number in your sequence. So type 2 in A2. Adding that second number tells Sheets the step size, which in this case is increasing by 1. Next, select both cells together so they're highlighted. You're selecting A1 through A2. This selection is important because it signals the pattern you want to continue. With both cells highlighted, look to the bottom right corner of the selection for a small blue square. This is the fill handle. Move your cursor directly over that blue square. You'll see the cursor change into a thin plus sign. When you see the plus, click and hold, then drag in the direction you want the sequence to grow. Drag down to fill a column, or drag sideways to fill across a row. As you drag, you'll usually see a small tooltip showing the value that will land in the last cell, so you can stop exactly where you want. Release the mouse, and Sheets will automatically continue your pattern. You'll see 3, 4, 5, and so on, neatly filled into the cells. If you only type one starting number and drag, Sheets will repeat that same number. That's why entering those first two values is key. It defines the increment. This also works for other step sizes. For example, if you enter 2 in the first cell and 4 in the next, dragging will create 6, 8, 10, continuing by 2s. If the result doesn't look right, don't worry. Just press undo and try again, making sure both starting cells are selected before you drag. And remember, you can stop dragging at any point. You don't have to fill the entire sheet. That's it. Open Sheets, type your first two numbers, select them, and use the fill handle to drag out the sequence. It's a simple habit that saves a lot of time when you're working with lists, indexes, or any structured data.